Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit audio on Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Inshot application and I'm going to create new project on Inshot. I'm going to click on video and then I'm going to choose new, and then here I'm just going to select blank clip and I'm going to add this blank clip to my project. Okay, and then I'm going to add my audio to this project guys, but wait, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay, and to add audio we can click on the audio menu right here, and then here you will have three options. You will be able to choose music, effect, or record. If you want to add music or audio from your device, you can go to this option. Okay, and for example, I'm going to add audio from my device. I'm gonna select my music, and these are the audio from my device, and I'm going to select one of them. Wait guys, I'm going to choose this audio, for example. It is imperative that we confront the reality. I'm going to click on use, and now the audio has been added to my project. And if we want to edit the audio, we can go to the edit menu right here. Ladies and then you will be able to customize the volume, and then you will be able to apply the fade in and fade out effect as well, like this. You can also cut your audio. Okay, just like that. If you want to cut the audio, you can choose the part of the audio you want to add to your video or your project. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can apply the voice effect or a voice changer. You're going to go to the voice effect right here, and you will be able to apply voice effect to your audio. Okay guys, you can choose the voice changer that you like. The evidence is irrefutable. The evidence is irrefutable. The evidence is irrefutable. I'm going to try this one. The evidence is irrefutable. Okay, I'm gonna go with this melting ice caps, guys. Okay, and this is the result. Rising temperatures. Okay, you will be able to reduce noise of your audio as well. If you want to do that, you can go to the noise like this. Okay. Okay guys, so that's all the way to edit audio on Inshot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.